Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Starting with the front right wheel, actually the tire here, date code 2008. And so looking at that wheel, typical little flaws. I don't see any curb rash. Of course, you're going to see little imperfections. But for the most part though, that is a really good looking wheel. As for tread, even though it's 2008, got a lot of tread left. Trying to get really close to the edge. Now, I'm not seeing any dry rot issues or anything like that, but from a date standpoint, those would need to be replaced. Especially if you're going to drive the car. If it's just going to sit, they look really good. A couple rock chips there. You're going to see little imperfections in the paint, typical dimples, little trash. That looks good. These side pipes look amazing. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Now they do have like a kind of a goldish yellow hue to them, but seeing them polished like that looks really cool. These are still nice and secure. Got the red here. Now that does reflect onto the seats, so you might see some like reddish hues on the seats. It's because of these. And so I'm going to try to do the best I can at showing the interior color without that weird hue reflection on them. But looking at that door, overall looks good. You open it in here, shuts really nice. You have a large chip here. Typical impacts in this area, a lot of them have been touched up. If you get really close, you're gonna see stuff like that. Looking at that quarter, looks good. See, the tread looks amazing here. Got the Goodyears, date code. That one is 2019. Looking at the wheel, overall in great condition. Super close here. You're gonna see little flaws, little imperfections, but for the most part, she's looking really, really nice. Love the color combo on here. Stripes are painted. We do have some larger chips here. See, those have been touched up. Now if you get close, you're gonna see the overspray and kind of masking issues, but from a few feet away, you're not gonna notice that. The stripes look really good though. I'm gonna have the rust kind of stuff there. Looking at the nose, you do have a large chip here. It's been touched up. Looking in there, looks good. And you get down low, of course, you're gonna have rash, rock chips, little flaws down there. About a foot or so off the ground though. You're not gonna see any of that. Got a rock chip there. Notice that fender looks amazing. Got the Goodyear Eagle F1s, date code. I'm not seeing the date code actually right here. It might be on the inside of that wheel, but I imagine it's just like the other side. That wheel though, overall looks good. Pipes look amazing. That's nice and secure. That looks good. Looking at the door, I do see a crack right there. And this door does not shut as good, but it's still really nice. I feel a little hesitation there pulling on that latch. It shuts really good though. You have some large chips here and some touch-ups. A little scratch there. Typical swirls from everyday washing. Here. All right, checking out the engine bay, absolutely gorgeous, but we do have a little surprise in here. They had all of this airbrushed, and I don't know the exact story. We will put it on the website, but this was some sort of artist from Disney that did this. Super cool. You wouldn't expect it, but it is there, and it's really well done. That looks awesome. Beautiful engine bay. They did a really good job in here. Nice and clean. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. That door panel looks amazing. Now you do have some damage here. Some paint chipping. These work great. Now you have these do reflect some kind of crazy colors on the seats at times. So far it looks pretty good, but you'll see kind of the red hues, and it's just because of these little visors. This seat, a couple stains, but man, they are so soft. That leather is insane. Great, great quality. Steering wheel looks amazing. Emblem looks good. Now you get close, you're gonna see some issues with the little fit and finish there. Those look nice. Overall, really nice interior. Carpets look good. Here on that door panel, that looks really good. Looking at that door panel, looks really nice. Carpets look good. Overall, the seats are really nice, super soft, like oddly soft. That leather is amazing. Great quality there. You can see the shift boot, it's coming undone. Got the Kenwood speakers back there. I don't know if you can see the kind of reddish hue. That's just the visor, so we can kind of move those, get them out of the way. You don't have any of that in there. It's just that reflection off of these guys. That dash looks really nice. And to open the hood, just twist these, and they have a beautiful mechanism in here. Like, it just clicks really nice. And it's solid. A lot of times those are kind of a pain on these kit cars. Those work amazing, and they kind of angle out to the side, and this has the hood struts on it instead of the annoying bar that you have to kind of finagle. So they did a killer job on the setup of this. Now looking in the trunk, the carpet is ripped up. You do have stains, so that could use a little bit of love. Fit and finish back there doesn't look as good. It'd be nice to have a little cover. Everything else though looks good. And the hinges are nice. You don't have that typically. So listening to this,